Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Life with Laki. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3 different kinds of hot chocolate. We're going to be looking at a white chocolate with cookie crumble, a peppermint hot chocolate, and a salted caramel hot chocolate. Stay tuned. So first I'm going to be putting in a cup of milk. You can choose any kind of milk. I chose 2%, and I'm going to be putting in a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. So that's going to be the ratio, 1 cup of milk and a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. But you don't have to use whipping cream, it's totally up to you. I just feel like whipping cream does add a richer flavor to the hot chocolate, but it's not necessary. And once you start seeing the steam coming out of the pot, it's time to add the chocolate chips. And we're going to be using white chocolate chips, about a 1/4 cup. And we're just going to pour that right in and get straight away to mixing, and make sure your heat's on medium-low so nothing starts to stick or burn. Next, we're going to add some pure vanilla extract, just a few drops to give it a little flavor, but not too much. And we're just going to keep mixing it up until all the chocolate is thoroughly melted. And we are just going to top this off with some amazing whipped cream. And I'm going to put on some Oreo cookie crumble just to add a little bit of crunch to the drink. And it is ready to go. Next, we're going to be doing something very similar, except I'm going to be making twice the serving. So 2 cups of 2% milk and 2/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, we're going to wait till the milk steams up, and we're going to add a 1/2 cup of milk chocolate chips this time, and wait till all of that melts in nice and thoroughly. So now that we can clearly see that the milk chocolate is all melted and everything looks nice and chocolatey, we're going to add peppermint extract for the peppermint hot chocolate. Just a few drops, don't overdo it, otherwise the smell and the flavor will be too intense. And we're just going to be mixing that in very nicely. Again, we're just going to top this off with some great whipped cream. And then for the peppermint hot chocolate, I went a little crazy and added a bunch of different toppings, like this chocolate peppermint spoon, these peppermint bark chocolate pieces that I broke apart, and it's going to keep going. I also broke up some candy canes and made peppermint chunks. They add the most amazing crunch to the drink. And last but not least, I added this cute little snowman. And for the final touch, we're just going to be adding a nice straw in there to sip our hot chocolate very easily. And for this drink, I actually made 2 servings because people in my family wanted this one. It's pretty popular. And this one I added some marshmallows, different straw, but very similar. And the base and everything was the same, just a slightly different change in toppings. Okay, moving on to the next drink. This is going to be the salted caramel hot chocolate, which was by far my favorite one out of the 3. And this one has the same exact base as the peppermint hot chocolate, except we do not add any peppermint extract. It's just going to be the chocolate and the milk. And here I'm just taking some salted caramel syrup and just lining the inside of the mug that I'm going to be using to pour the hot chocolate in so that there's caramel throughout the whole drink. Alright, here we are back with that whipped cream. Can never have hot chocolate without it. Alright, and looks like I'm about to put on some more because I just couldn't get enough. But after that, I'm going to be drizzling the whipped cream with some salted caramel syrup, the same one that I lined the inside of the mug with. And oh my god, this looks so good. And finally, I'm going to be topping this off with a little bit of sea salt. Not too much, but just a little where you can kind of taste the salt, but it's still mainly sweet. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below which one was your favorite hot chocolate to try. And please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also check out my other video, the DIY hot cocoa bar, to see how I created the bar in this video in which I created the hot cocoa. The link will be in the description for that. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.